I'm actually the engineer at Andover Norton, and one of the things that does crop up occasionally is the old handlebar grips. It's often along the lines of, you know, which ones do you recommend? Well, it's a bit of a personal question really, because everyone tends to have their favourite when it comes to handlebar grips. Generally, people don't have a problem managing to realise that one is slightly different size to the other. So one goes on the throttle and one goes on the left hand side. We have a selection here, and strangely enough, it's horses for courses. Some people prefer the soft type. I quite like these on a Commando, but on other bikes I don't like a soft grip. I prefer one of the harder grips. So that's the soft one, and I believe these are still made by the people that made them originally back in the 70s. We've also got a similar looking one, which is a lot harder. It's the same sort of shape, same size roughly, but it's a lot harder feel. So somebody with larger hands and thinner gloves may like that style. Then we get down to the other type. We've got the Amal and like a Doherty type. These are just sort of very sort of retro 60s type stuff. Holes in the end, so if you do fit them, you will get water up your handlebars if you use it in the wet. And of course at the end there we've got the Doherty style. Some people like these because they got the ribs on them, which I suppose makes sense. A little bit thinner than the Amal ones, but again, no problem at all using these. Depends on what you want and what you're happy with and comfortable with the feel on. Some people turn around and they say, can I have a softer grip because I've got vibrations coming through the handlebars? If you've got vibration coming up through the handlebars, something you can try and do is actually use a lighter grade of oil in your forks. That should isolate the actual vibration you're feeling coming up through the bars. When you fit these, I've seen people use all sorts of things to fit these, from hair dryers to washing up liquid. Hairspray is a good one. The people use that because it will actually stay wet and allow you to get it on if you're quick enough. Some people use rubber grease. I don't recommend using rubber grease on on these handlebar grips. Very good reason is, if you put them on, you don't want them to come off. Now, the other thing you can use, and it's actually quite good stuff to have a little pot of, and that's a little motocross tyre fitting gel. Usually comes in a little container about 250ml, and that 250ml lasts for ages. The beauty of that is it stays liquid for about 15 minutes, so there's plenty enough time to get it on, but once you've got it on, it will then set and act like an adhesive like it does with a motocross tyre to keep the bead on the rim of the wheel. Now, if you've got any queries, please feel free to get in touch with myself and Simon at Andover Norton, where we will try and help you out. The parts that we have on the table here will be linked in the description below. Now, we can't make the choice for you. It's up to you to make that choice, to find something you're comfortable with. But we're quite happily help you along with that path if you're not too sure. Please feel free to get in touch and just ask, as always, or email us. Thank you very much.